Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Cardano from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. If you're looking to move your ADA safely and efficiently, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, I'll break it down clearly so you can do this with confidence. First off, why withdraw to Coinbase? It's a secure exchange for managing your crypto, and with 2025 updates, transfers might be even smoother. But remember, crypto involves risks, so always double-check everything. Before we start, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed and linked to your Cardano holdings. You'll also need a verified Coinbase account with an ADA wallet address ready. Got that? Great, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet on your device and navigate to your ADA balance. Tap on the Send or Transfer option to begin. Step 2. Enter the recipient address. Head over to Coinbase, go to your ADA wallet, and copy the deposit address. Paste it into Phantom. This is critical, so verify it twice to avoid any mix-ups. Step 3. Specify the amount of ADA you want to send. Be mindful of network fees. They can fluctuate, so leave a little extra to cover costs. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. Check the address, amount, and fees one last time, then hit Confirm. You'll likely need to approve it with your wallet's security features. Step 5. Once sent, monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like CardanoScan. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect on Coinbase, depending on network congestion. A few quick tips for 2025. Ensure you're using the Cardano network in Phantom, as cross-chain issues could arise. Also, keep an eye on any new regulations or updates from Coinbase that might affect withdrawals. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your Cardano. This process keeps your assets secure and accessible. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.